Connecticut cities and towns are getting pretty serious about social distancing, and it could end up hitting you in your wallet if you are not careful. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live now to explain how you could actually get slapped with a fine. Matt?
Dennis, we all had that rain earlier today. A lot of it, you really don't have to worry about a lot of folks hanging out at beaches, playgrounds, and parks. When the sun comes out, that's a different story. That's because the number of towns that are now willing to fine folks who aren't following the governor's executive orders, well, it's growing. Cruising through the parking lot of Stratford Short Beach, police on patrol are now keeping an eye out to make sure everyone is social distancing here.
From what I've seen, most people stay pretty well apart. I've not seen too many groups very close together.
But for those refusing to stay at least 6 feet apart, or still gathering in groups larger than 5 at the town's parks, beaches, playgrounds, ball fields, and parking lots, you're going to get a talking to. Most residents who are using our recreational facilities are observing these guidelines that are meant to reduce the spread of COVID-19, but there are some who are failing to do so. So Stratford's mayor says police will now fine those not following social distancing directives at the town's recreational areas. We need to make it understood that we are very serious about enforcing the governor's executive orders at our public facilities, and those who disobey will be cited.
I don't want to see people fined or put in jail, but remind them of what they're supposed to be doing for their own health and health of others.
Out for a ride with her brother, Eleanor O'Connell says she likes the fact that officers will give individuals first a warning. But those still refusing to follow the social distancing orders will then be given a $100 infraction. Neighboring Trumbull is also issuing trespassing fines for those continuing to ignore the restrictions at town playgrounds, parks, and school property. The same goes in Fairfield for those entering closed town spaces.
I think it's good that they keep apart. I mean, I only come out to get a ride to get out of the house.
And if you think $100 is steep, the state of New York recently increased its maximum fine for social distancing from $500 to $1,000, though the governor there says it's not about the money, just getting people to comply. We're live at the mobile newsroom. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.